All right, guys. Thank you for being here in this presentation. Once again, we started recording for you to share this amazing opportunity. And before we start sharing it, let me remind you the good news here now that we are recording. Okay, trading is about to start. We have the software ready. We have everything ready to go. We just have to open, remember, your account in your broker. We don't tell you which broker you want to use. It is up to you. Just make sure it's a regulated broker, because this is the most important thing when choosing a broker. It's regulated. It means that it complies. It means that it's certified and verified by local authorities. So remember, if you join and you're registered already in Express Moments, I suppose that you already purchased your free license. If you did, now you will be able to test this amazing copy trading from Express Moment. And you remember that part of the compensation plan that we will see, that we have to send the company the 50%, not in this pre-launch period. All right, not in this pre-launch period. Company will not ask us to send this 50%. And something more important that I didn't mention before we were recording, there is no limit. There is no limit. You remember the minimum for a free license is $100, and the most you will earn is 50. Now you can earn as much as you possibly can, and you can put as much money as you can, because now there are no restrictions during the pre-launch period. What the only thing we have to do is to, if you already register and you are going to enjoy copy trading, you just have to pay the company $10. That's it, $10 per week while the pre-launch phase is running. After that, boom, no more graces from the company. We have to go by the rules. But right now, we are going to enjoy these benefits of copy trading without limits for free. We just pay $10 to company. And once again, something very important, you have to connect your broker with your account in Express Moments. It's something that you shouldn't stress if you don't have any experience, if you don't have, the know-how. We are going to help you. Our team members are ready to provide the knowledge. Even if we have to do it remotely for you in your computer, we will do it. We just want you to be successful. We just want you to be hassle-free, that you don't have any stress. We will do it for you. So you are in the right team with the right people to start journey with Express Moment. And what is Express Moment? It's automated trading with total control of your money all the time, guys. That's amazing. Total control of your money all the time. And you know what? We want to put our money to work. That's what we want to do, okay? Put it to work and put it in autopilot. And how we do that? But there are traditional ways to do that. Which ones? Well, the most traditional is banking. You put your money in your bank. What's going to happen with the bank? It's going to give you like 1% per year, 1.5% if you're lucky. All right. And then if you want more money from the bank, what you do? You freeze your money for a year. Then you open what is called here in Dominican Republic, it's called a certificate. I don't know how you call it in your country, but you freeze it for a year, they will pay you maybe 6, 7, 8% per year. All right. So no, that's not for me. Another way is a traditional business which normally takes long time to recover your capital. And it's not guaranteed that you will no, get your investment back. Remember, 2 years ago, COVID-19 happened. Nobody, absolutely nobody was waiting, was expecting that. Why? Because that came out of nowhere. And what happened with a lot of businesses? They went bankrupt. They had to close. I always say the example of my gym, the biggest in my city. Nobody can go to the gym. Nobody could be like congregating. The local governments, local authorities, they close everything. So my gym went bankrupt. My favorite restaurant, they closed. So you could invest your money in what is so-called safe traditional business, but nothing is safe. Another one is investment companies, which is very, very risky. I'm not saying all companies are the same, but 90% of them just disappear with our money, because we have to send them our money. And after we send their money, now we are on their mercy, the mercy of the CEO, on the mercy of the owner. We don't know if this person tomorrow says, okay, I have $5 million, $10 million in my Bitcoin wallet. Boom, he closed the website and he ran away. How many times have you seen that? We have seen that many, many different times. And then there is expert moment. What's going to happen with expert moment? The money is always in your broker. And this is very good to emphasize. Your broker, all right? Not anybody else's broker, your broker. What does it mean? That means that the company is not choosing a broker for you. You choose your own broker, all right? You choose your own broker, and that's very important. The company is not dictating you, use this, use that. I've seen a very famous company now, project, that people are crazy with it. That company, they are their own broker, okay? They are their own broker. And what happens when the company is the same broker? Well, they got your money that you are trading, but if they are the broker, they can just go away too. Same thing. It's not gonna happen in express moment. Why not? Because you chose which broker you want to use. All right, that's very, very important. Like I said, what we want regulated brokers. Why? Because if it's regulated, it means that it complies with government regulations. They are verified. They are authorized to receive money. These brokers are here. Is it that Express Moment is telling you use these ones? No, we're just putting these brokers as an example, because you're still gonna use whatever broker you prefer. Just showing you brokers that have been in the market forever, like Forex and Binary.com, that have been in the market since 1999, combined over 3 million members. XM since 2009, more than 5 million happy customers. IQ Option since 2013, more than 80 million customers. So you choose which broker you want to use, which broker you want to partner with in Express Moment. That's very important. Express Moment have winning strategy, right? Winning strategy, which is that? That strategy is you open your account in Express Moment, open your account in any broker you want, and the experts, masters, traders of Express Moments will trade for you, and whatever trade they perform, you will see it reflected in your account. I repeat that, you will see it reflected in your account. Why I say you will see it? Because you're gonna connect your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 in all the transactions, all the trades that are done, you can see them in real time. That's very, very important. Control over your money, and you can see what is happening 24/7 in your cell phone or in your computer. That's really, really amazing, guys. And what has been the performance, the effectiveness of the traders? And this is very important. Traders, this is not a bot. This is not a software. This is not artificial intelligence. All right. These are human traders with a lot of expertise. Some of them are in the top 30 traders in the world. Oh, and then that's something that brings us confidence that we are in good hands. Our traders, the people that are trading, they are masters. They know how to control risk. They know how not to burn an account. So what has been effectiveness? 2 to 5% per day. 2 to 5% per day. Like I said, this week that already finished yesterday, because you remember, Forex is from Monday to Friday. The week that started, finished yesterday, they have almost 20% profit. That was close to 4% per day. On average, they say 2 to 5% per day. So imagine that was, if you had a $1,000 account, or not $1,000 account, if you have $1,000 in your broker, this past week you made $200. Isn't that great? That's 20% of your deposit, man. So this is great. This is great, and this is something you can only see in express moment. Obviously, this is not a guarantee promise of profit. Okay? These are averages. It's not like they're gonna do 5% every day. There will be days that they will do more than 5. Probably there will be days that they won't make any 1%. Maybe there will be days that they will lose. Who knows? This is trading. Nothing is like 100% guaranteed. But the record has been 2 to 5% per day, and that is really, really, really good. And how can you get started? Very simple 3 steps. 3 very simple steps. The person that bless you by inviting you to this presentation, just ask for his or her link. You're gonna just fill out your information, your name, last name, email, password, and then after you register, then you have to open your account in a broker. You get your free license, you connect your broker with your accounting experts, and boom, you're ready to roll. Okay, ready to roll. Like I said, we have different licenses. We have the free license that you will be able to use it every time after launch. That free license has a limit, but that limit has been lifted the pre-launch period. The limit has been lifted, guys. No limit in earnings, no limit in profits. And I will explain you in a couple of minutes. The next, after the free license, is the $50, $100, $200, all the way down to $12,800. All right. And the good thing is that when you get one of these licenses, when you get one of these, it's forever. It's a lifetime license. And if you are upgrading from one license to the other, you don't have to pay the full price either. So if you have the $100 license, and then you say, wow, I need to get a much higher license. Let's say now you want to get the 200 license. Well, since you already have the $100 license, you want the $200 license, you just pay the difference. just pay $100 more, and then you have a $200 license. If you are like enjoying everything and you want to go higher, and they say, okay, I want to go with the $800 license. Now you pay the difference, which is $600. All right, and that $800 will be good forever. All right, no monthly payments, no yearly payments, one time. All right, great. But every license has a limit. Every license has a limit, and those limits are these ones. Free. Remember, right now there is no limit during pre-launch. No limit. All right, no limit. You can enjoy all the earnings that you can have. Now, after pre-launch, when the official launch, when the company officially starts, these licenses will be the ones that are going to be like valid for, I mean, for us to comply with these licenses. All the limits will be intact. Okay, so the free license, you will only be able to earn $50, but one time, no, time after time after time. What does that mean? Free license, you put $100 in your broker, not in Express Moment, because Express Moment is not a platform. They are not a financial institution. They don't take money from you. You're going to put the money in your broker. All right. So once you have $150, you will not be able to earn more. Now you have to withdraw. You have to withdraw the $50, and then the software and the traders are going to start trading for you again. Okay, and you can do that over and over again. You put 100, you withdraw your 50, good. You can withdraw 50, 50, 50, 50 forever. You don't have to pay anything. What you have here, you see 50% profit rate. That means that after launch, when we receive our profits, whatever it is, let's say that you earn that week $50. Well, now you have to send profit, I mean the 50% of your profit to the company. Out of those 50, you have to send 25. Okay, because that's what is the license allowing you to earn 50, but you have to share 50% of your profit. Some people say, oh, that's a lot. Really? Really? Remember, you're not paying anything for the license. You put $100 in your broker, which is always in your control. The company generated $50 for you. They put in the software, they put in the knowledge, they put in the traders, and they're earning money for you. So if you earn 50, you gotta send them 25. And pay attention to this. You have to send them 25. So that means that it is up to you whether you send it or not. The company doesn't have access to your money. So they cannot say, okay, Michael earned $50. Let me go to his broker and take 25. No, they cannot do that. So now they are on your mercy to send them 25. But you know what happens? Remember cell phone bill? You use it for a month, and then at the end of the month, they send you the bill, you have to pay it. Well, if you don't pay your cell phone bill, telephone company just cuts your service. You will not have a cell phone anymore. I mean, you will have the cell phone, but you will not have service. You cannot talk, you cannot stream, you cannot do anything, you cannot WhatsApp with your phone. You didn't pay your bill, so you don't have service. Same thing is going to happen in Express Moment. If you don't send your 50%, it will close your account. Forever? No, not forever. Until you send 50%, you have to send them, right? I think that's just Very, very fair. Okay. Next is $50. You have a maximum earning of $250. And again, you have to share 50%. Next license, $100. Now your limit is bigger, $1,000. And you also have to send 50% to the company. Here, in these first two licenses, the free and the 50, you can only use it when they start with binary options, But if you have the $100 license, you can use binary and Forex. You see here, right now, we are in the testing period. With the free license, you can use your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, no problem. But when everything officially starts, these are the regulations. These are the things we're gonna get with every license. So I was saying the limit for the $100 is 1,000, and we still have to share 50%. Here with the $200, now our limit is 2,000, and we only share 40%. That is 10% less. That could mean a lot of money depending on what you're earning. Okay, so if you have a $200 license and you earn like $100 that week, you only have to send 40. All right, with the $400 license, you had a limit of 4,000. You also share 40%. Next license, 800. Now you only share 30%, and your limit is 8,000. 1,600, 1,600. Your limit is 16,000, and you share 30%. So if you have this license and you earn $1,000 in a week, you have to send the company $300. Once again, this is not an obligation, but if you don't do it, you will not be participating in the trading anymore, because they're going to block your service and block your account. You don't want to do that, because if you have if you have $1,000 in your account and you're making $200 per week, all right, then you're sending the company 100. Still, if you get 100 out of your 1,000 every week, that means that you're making 40% every month. Even if it's 25, 30% per month, that's a lot of money. Because remember, you are in control, and it's going to be forever. It doesn't expire. It's in your account. It's in your broker. So this is a win-win situation. You just send the money to the company, and you keep enjoying the service forever. Now, the next one is 3,200. Has a limit of 32,000, and now you only have to send the company 25%. The next one is 6,400, 12,800 is the final. And in these two, your earnings are unlimited, no limit for your earnings. We are enjoying now the same thing in the pre-launch phase, because the company will allow us to earn unlimited earnings during the pre-launch phase. And then you only have to send 20% of your earnings. Guess what? Right now we don't have to send anything. Just $10 if we have the free license connected and trading. Just $10, guys. All right. Somebody asked me a very good question, and I will tell you. Some people say, okay, if the license goes higher and higher, do I have to put more money in the broker for trading? No, it is up to you. It is up to you. You don't have to. You can have only 500, 100, 600, 10,000. It is up to you how much money you put in your broker. Obviously, it's not recommended. It's not a good idea to have less than 100. But let me tell you, if you are earning such good returns, Why would you have your money in a different platform? Or why would you have your money in a bank if you are making such good returns every single week? All right, good. So far, this is the part for, let's say, the investors, for the people that want to put their money to work, people that are not interested in trading, or are not interested, not in trading, are not interested in network marketing. They're not interested in inviting others. They just want to put their money to work, enjoy their earnings, and that's it. But let me tell you something. Those that are like me, like many others in this call, we like to invite others. We like to share the good news. We like to tell people when something is good, right? And the company will give us two different types of bonuses: the fast start bonus and the residual bonus. Once again, these are optional. You don't have to invite anybody in express moments. You will enjoy your earnings forever from your deposit in your broker, in your hands, okay, in your control. So what is the fast start bonus? Well, very simple. I like express moment because everything is so easy to explain. There's no complication, okay? And when things are easy to understand, you are very, very happy, because you don't have to complicate your minds when you are explaining others. It's very easy to duplicate your team, right? Now, every license the company sells, company will keep 75% and will share the remaining 25%. Okay, I repeat that. The company of every license will keep 75% and will share the remaining 25% for the network. Okay, so in this example you see here, the company is showing $800 license, $800 license. What is 25%? 800. That is $200. So since the company will share the fast start bonus in 10 levels, right here, it's going to be 2.5% for everybody, because 2.5 times 10 is 25%. Okay, simple math. Now you get 2.5% of this 800 license, which is $20, and everybody down up to 10 levels will also get $20. But imagine if you have thousands of people under you buying licenses every day. It's not just going to be 800, it's going to be 100, 200, 1,600, 3,000. It's going to be different licenses that people will be buying every day, and you will be receiving those 2.5 in every level if you're qualified for 10 levels. 2.5%. That could be a lot of money, guys, like a lot of money. It might seem little if you put like one person, but if you have, let's say, 10 people that you invited, and those people invited like a lot of people, let me tell you, I have one person only, my dear friend from Malaysia, okay, my friend Murshid. He has over 1,000 already. Over 1,000 in his team. So imagine if you get people like Quimpresh from Nigeria, who already has about 500 people in her team. So you're going to have people that will not invite anybody. You will have others that will bring thousands and thousands of people. they will be under you because this is an uni level. So those people that other bring will pay you as well. So what's going to happen? You will be, like I said, receiving every single day 2.5% here, 2.5% there. It's going to be crazy, crazy, crazy money. And now this is my favorite. This is my favorite bonus, the residual bonus. Because remember, when this starts, when everything starts, people will have to send 50% of their earnings to the company. And what is the company going to do with that 50%? They will share 100% with us up to 10 levels down. Guys, that's amazing. That's a lot of money if you are building a team. Why? Because you will be receiving, if you're qualified, of course, you will be receiving money from a lot of people that you don't know every single week, week after week after week after week. It doesn't have a limit. It's limitless. Every single week, you will be receiving a lot of money. Okay? Now, what happened here is that when you remember when we were talking about the licenses, well, every time you go up in the license, it opens you different levels of commissions. Okay, I will share with you this. Now, look at this. The first five levels, you will get 80% of the 100% that the company will share. 16% through level 1 through 5, guys. Levels 1 through 5, you're gonna get 16%. Let me give you an example so that you see how powerful this is. You invited 10 people in your level 1, you can do that with your free license, or 20 people or 50 people. Okay, free license will allow you to get paid one level. But if you have this 20 people, 10 people in your first level, and then they combine, send, for example, let's say they send the company $1,000. It's just a number. Could be more, could be less, but just to make it like a round number. Combined, they earn $1,000. What's going to happen? They have to send $500 to the company. And what is 16% of 500? That's $80, guys. $80 that you will be receiving every week just because you invited those people. Those people that you invited, boom, they're going to pay you a nice check every week. Now, what happens? Now you're seeing your back office. You have a lot of people in your level 2. Now, well, you have to upgrade to the $50 license, and you will be allowed to get commissions from your level 2, which is also going to be 16%, right? 16%. Imagine if you have 100 people in your level 2, 50 people in your level 2, you're gonna get 16% of them. And that also could be a nice check every week. Now you see that those people in level 2 are building, and then you have a lot of people, like a lot of people in your level 3. Well, now you need a $100 license. But trust me, you will also get 16% here. You will be receiving so much that you don't care to have this $100 commission, license. You will be receiving a lot of commissions of 3 levels, 48%, 16% each level. For level 4, to receive level 4, now you have to be a bronze, and you need to have a $200 license, and it will go for every level. You need a higher license, and you will see later the qualifications to get to these ranks. All right, And is that from level 1 to level 5, you will get 16%. From level 6 to level 10, you're gonna get 4% each. If you add up, these 10 levels total 100%. All right, and that 100% is from the money we send them every week. Okay, so this is something that we are used to seeing when we in the presentation in the PDF. What happens if you bring 3 and the other bring 3 and the other bring 3? You say, wow, that's it. That's not that easy. If you continue scratching, I will removing you from the room. There's a lot of people that haven't been able to get in the room. So please stop that. Okay, good. So let's say this. You have 3 people. Those 3 people bring 3 people. What's going to happen? Look at this example. It's only $200 trading in your broker, only with 200, and only with 2% performance. 2% performance, which we saw that this week we already have 20%. So on average, it was 4%. This example is only with 2% per day in only $200, which is not much. Now, if you invite 3 and those 3 invite 3 and 3 and 3 and 3, at the end of the day, in level 10, you will have 59,000 people. Say, wow, that's a lot of people. I'm not gonna get there. Well, you're not gonna get there, but it's not you who's bringing all those people. It's everybody in your team, in your downline, bringing people. They bring people, bring people, and who knows? Maybe in 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, you can get there. And you will be making almost $36,000 per week. Almost $36,000 per week. And well, you say, oh, Luis, that's not easy. Okay, no problem. You say that's not easy. Well, let's say only 30% of this will happen. You will still be making close to $12,000 per week. All right? Is that life-changing for you? It is for me. I don't know for you. So those 3 people that bring 3, like I said, my good friend, Mursid, he has over 1,000 people under him already. Okay. My sponsor is very, very happy. Why? Because I already have over 4,000 people in my team. He just brought me, but I built a network along with you guys, which I really, really appreciate you. We have built a network of 4,000 plus people. He only brought me. Imagine if he brings another person that is even bigger than me. How many people will he have under him? All right. So guys, this could be like a lot of money. Don't just focus, okay, that's a lot of people. It will bring leaders that will bring a lot of people that you can't imagine. All right. Something very important to note is these figures shown throughout the presentation are illustrative. It's just for illustration. It should not be considered a guarantee of profit. Very important. This should not be considered a guarantee of profit. Is it possible? Of course, it's possible. All right. You see, I've been doing this promotion, networking for this project in less than 10 days. And we already have over 4,000 people in our team. So yes, it's definitely possible. Even it doesn't matter if it's in 1 month, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, even if it's in 1 year from now, you get that $35,000 per week. That's amazing, guys. Now, remember that we were talking about ranks. Well, in order to be bronze, very, very simple. You only need a license, personal license of $200, and then you will have levels 1 through 4 open for you. But you need a volume of 2,000 points. 2,000 points. How do you get those points? Every time you sell license personally, or you get paid for licenses And every time, every week, the company sends you whatever you earn, the 60%, the 4%, whatever, those volumes will accumulate. As soon as you have 2,000 and you are bronze, you will make money. Let me see who is doing this. Sorry, it's down here. I don't know how to. Okay, I'm almost finishing. I'm not going to stress with that. Then next rank, silver, $400. You will need to have 1 bronze in your team. You're gonna get, oh, for bronze you're gonna get $100. All right, and for silver you're gonna get a set of AirPods and you need 1 bronze. For gold, now you're gonna have 6 level open of commission, 6 levels, and you need a license of $800, but you need 2 bronze people and you get $1,000 prize. Okay, $1,000 prize. Now, in order to be platinum, you need a $1,600 license, 1 through 7 levels commission, and you need $30,000 points. I mean 30,000 points, and you need 3 bronze and 1 silver, and you will get an iPhone. So you go all the way down to Black Diamond and the presidential, where Black Diamond will open you 10 levels, and you need the biggest license of $2,000, 100. And on top of that, you need to have 5 platinum and 1 blue diamond in your network, and you will get $50,000 or the money. In the presidential rank, you will need the same license, 1 million volume, 5 platinum, and 1 blue diamond, and you will get a Dubai Qatar trip, Dubai and Qatar trip for 1 full month, and that's during the World Cup of Soccer. That's really amazing. Okay, that's it, guys. This is the presentation. So I am so happy to be sharing this opportunity with you. I will stop recording and I will answer all your questions. You in YouTube, if you like this presentation, just click subscribe, click the bell so that you receive all my future videos.